Did you know that turmeric has been used for over 4,000 years, not just in cooking, but as a powerful healing ingredient in traditional medicine? That's right, it's like nature's golden gift to us. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss tips that help you live a healthier, happier life, naturally. Today, we're diving into one of the simplest but most powerful morning rituals you can start: drinking turmeric water every morning. Yes, just turmeric and water, but the benefits are honestly amazing. Let's get into it. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric contains curcumin, its active compound, which is incredibly anti-inflammatory. Think of it like a natural ibuprofen, but without the side effects. If you suffer from joint pain, arthritis, or even muscle stiffness, starting your day with turmeric water may help reduce that inflammation from the inside out. 2. Boosts your immunity. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants and has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Basically, it's your immune system's best friend. Especially during flu season or when you're feeling a little run down, this golden drink gives your body that extra layer of defense. 3. Supports digestion and gut health. Drinking turmeric water before breakfast can help stimulate bile production, which aids in better digestion and reduces bloating. It also helps balance your gut microbiome, your good bacteria, which is essential for overall health and mood. 4. Helps with weight management. Some studies show that turmeric may help regulate metabolism and even reduce fat tissue growth. While it's not a miracle fat burner, it does support your weight loss efforts, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. 5. Glowing skin from within. Yes, turmeric is great when applied as a face mask, but drinking it helps purify your blood and fight oxidative stress, which can lead to clearer, more radiant skin. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to that morning glow. 6. Supports brain health. Curcumin is believed to boost levels of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Starting your day with turmeric might just help keep your mind sharp and focused. Here's a super easy recipe. Stir well, drink it slowly in the morning on an empty stomach, and give your body a few minutes before you eat breakfast. So, to recap, turmeric water helps with inflammation, digestion, immunity, skin, brain function, and even weight management. All that, from a simple cup each morning. If you're excited to try turmeric water, drop a comment below with "Golden Start" so I know you're with me on this journey. And if you've already been drinking it, let me know what changes you've noticed. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. Take care of your body, be kind to your mind, and I'll see you in the next one.